Hello everyone. Today's training video is about how to handle delivery invoices and accounting voucher processes. In Prizma ERP, how are unbilled deliveries invoiced? How are unaccounted invoices accounted for? We will be focusing on these topics. Generally, these processes are carried out by site accountants, accounting specialists, or finance experts on the construction site. First of all, I want to touch on this topic. When the receipt entries are completed after the warehouses or the relevant accounting personnel receive the services or materials expected to be delivered, an automatic delivery note, invoice, or accounting note is created, depending on the parameter. In case it doesn't occur, we will examine how to manually carry out the processes in the purchasing delivery notes, invoices, and accounting vouchers sections found in Prizma ERP. First of all, you will see many studios here. We will examine how to carry out the processes in the purchasing delivery notes, invoices, and accounting voucher sections. First of all, you can see many studios here. You are currently viewing the delivery notes, and the sections here with invoice numbers indicate that the deliveries have been invoiced. How do we find unbilled deliveries? You can view them by entering a negative value in the culture area here, or by using the switch button here. For example, our delivery note number here has not been invoiced yet. How do we invoice? Delivery note number 5240. You can review it, modify it, copy it, or invoice it. Let's click on the Invoicing button. You can select the relevant fields. Here you can make adjustments, or you can add an additional delivery note. You won't be making any changes to the processes yet. You can save all the processes here by pressing the Save button. You can see that our invoice number 1931 has been created. Let's go ahead and review it from this section. Look, the delivery note number 5240 has generated the invoice number 1931. You can also review this from the invoices section. You can already see that our invoice number 1931 has been created at the very beginning. If you want to check how an invoice has not been accounted for in the system or processed properly, you can easily do so by following these steps. If you want to check how an invoice has or hasn't been accounted for, you should look at the voucher numbers under the General Accounting section here. Accounting vouchers generally start with M. To view an invoice that has not been accounted for, we can click on the minus button here to view the ones that have not been accounted for. For example, our invoice number 1895 has not been accounted for yet. How can we do that? Of course, you can carry out other operations here, like reviewing, modifying, clicking, canceling. Here, you can perform accounting operations with our accounting button. By the way, you can download our Excel template here and add accounting vouchers in bulk. Just so you know, we will be creating our accounting voucher without making any additions here. Let's create it right away. Our accounting voucher number 6483 has been created. Let's check from the relevant column right away. Look, our accounting voucher number 6483 has been created. Which invoice is it linked to? It's linked to invoice number 1895. You can view the accounting voucher from here. You can make edits to it. You can also view it from the accounting vouchers section under General Accounting here, as you can see. This section. In addition to these, you can manually add accounting vouchers from these sections. You can also download the template as an Excel template and add it as a bulk upload. Additionally, you can also perform manual invoice addition in the invoice operations here. By adding a delivery location and adding materials, here you can complete the invoice creation process in the required fields. When you want to create a delivery note manually, you can perform the manual creation process from these sections. Instead of entering delivery notes one by one, you can use these handy features to see the details on the side page thanks to Prizma's flexible structure, which makes things easier for you. You can print all the fields here, and you can also add extra columns using the column selector. We have reached the end of our training video. Please don't forget to check out our other training videos. Thank you for listening to us.